Today we will take a look at one of the most powerful VPNs named V2ray. With its help you can bypass any firewall in the world and say no to any form of censorship. Let's go step by step, as always simply, clearly, and without any fluff. The first thing you need to understand is that the most effective solution for bypassing any DPI blockage are the protocols VLES-TCP, VLES-gRPC, MES-TCP, MES-WebSocket, Trojan TLS, and ShadowSock's V2ray. For many, these terms might be unfamiliar, but the most important thing is that we will install all these protocols in 2 minutes and get a graphical interface for managing profiles, complete settings, and other functions of your future VPN server, which bypasses any DPI checks and packet filtering even in China. Let's get started. So, we will need a VPS server on which we will be installing our VPN. Visit our hosting at sebekvps.com and select the tariff that suits you. Trust us, we have the best offers. Use the promo code YouTubeSebek when ordering a VPS on our website and receive a 10% discount. Choose Ubuntu 2204, as I will demonstrate using this version. After successfully ordering and activating your VPS, go to its control panel. Click on your server. If you have multiple, you will see the corresponding number. Click on the name of our server where we want to install the VPN. We've reached full server management. Click on Reinstall, select Applications, and then click on Marzban VPN. Below there will be a Reinstall button. Press it and wait a few seconds. A notification will appear at the bottom right that the server has been successfully reinstalled. Now we need to connect to our server via SSH. It's very simple. There is a detailed, short video tutorial on how to do this on our channel. The link will be in the video description and in the tips above. After successfully connecting via SSH, enter the following command: cat/root/marzban.txt. Authentication data for our VPN GUI will appear before us. Login, password, and a link. Go to the specified URL and enter the login menu. Enter the login and password that we received in the terminal. Then click Create User. When creating a user, you can click on the 3 dots to the right of each protocol to access additional settings. In our case, we leave everything as it is, just adding a username, for example sebekvps. Click Create User. Our user is created. On the right we see 3 buttons. The first button copies the link for managing the user's subscription. You get all the information about them, traffic consumption statistics, and all links for connecting to the VPN via different protocols. This is very useful and informative. But what interests us is button number 2. It will copy all profiles with one click of the mouse, and you can very quickly import them, for example into the V2 Box client, which is available for all operating systems. Download and install the V2 Box client. For MacBook, I downloaded it directly from the App Store. For Windows, just use Google. Now open V2 Box. Go to the Config tab. Click on the plus sign and then choose Import V2ray from clipboard. As we can see, all our profiles have been automatically imported and are ready to use. I remind you that we click the second button in our VPN GUI to copy. You can select any appropriate protocol and then click Home and press to connect. As we see, our VPN is connected. Now let's check if our IP has changed. Go to the website browserleaks.com/IP. Yes, as we see, our IP is now in the Netherlands. Congratulations, you now have the coolest VPN V2ray on your PC. Similarly, you can install the V2 Box client on your phone and add all the profiles, and use VPN on your phone as well. If you would like to see a separate video tutorial on installing V2ray on a phone, give this video 500 likes and I will make it.